This just gives you a sense for how the body responds. So how do you know? How do you know if you're in the window of tolerance? How do you know if you're dysregulated, if you're hyper-aroused or hypo-aroused? And then what might be some of the behaviors of the emotions? Another way this is helpful is if, let's say, you have a colleague or a business partner that you're working with and you're just kind of struggling and you see some of these behaviors and some of these signs in this person, then it might tell you that they're just really dysregulated. Maybe they need a little compassion and a little support. So it's helpful information not only for ourselves, but for the people that we interact with. How did my nervous system work today? Is it healthy? Did I have a healthy response? Oftentimes when we find ourselves in a dysregulated state, we will make unhealthy choices. We will find ways to cope, find ways to distract ourselves, find ways to get ourselves out of that blue state, that hypo-aroused state that maybe aren't the best choices. When this becomes a problem is when we are chronically dysregulated, either in the red or the blue, and that's where we spend the majority of our time. And in this culture that we live in, the stress soup that we're all swimming in, so the majority of the people are in that hyper-aroused state most of the time. This is when we start to see burnout happening. This is when we start to see the nervous system just can't keep up anymore. It's like, I'm done, I'm toast. So I also work as a yoga therapist, and I see quite a few people who come to me because they have chronic pain conditions, and very often it's an autoimmune situation that's happening. And when I start to talk with them about their lifestyle and their work and what they do and realize how they're living their lives, I'm like, okay, yeah, I can see your nervous system has just, basically it's done, it's toast. So this is what we need to be aware of, and it all starts with awareness.